In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Hotmail by phone in just 5 minutes. Sometimes reaching out to customer service can be a daunting task, but by following these simple steps, you'll get the help you need in no time. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, what you need to do is open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. It's the starting point for many of us when we're searching for information online, and today's no different. Once you're on the Google homepage, you'll want to type in Hotmail Hotline in the search bar. You'll quickly see a list of results that can point you in the right direction. Next, have a look through the search results and click on the link that mentions customer service phone numbers. It's important to find the correct link so that you're not wasting time with resources that won't help you. This step is crucial as it directs you toward the right contact information that you need. Once you're on the page dedicated to customer service phone numbers, take your time to look for a list of available numbers. Sometimes these pages can offer a variety of options, so don't worry if you see several numbers. Here you will find the specific customer service contact details for Hotmail provided by Microsoft. At this point, you will need to select your country. This is an important step because the phone numbers you need to contact can vary depending on your country or region. Selecting the right country will ensure that you get connected to the appropriate customer service team that can assist you with your specific needs. Finally, with the correct phone number on hand, you can go ahead and make the call. When you call, be sure to have any necessary details on hand, such as your email address or account information, to help the customer service representative assist you efficiently. Having this information readily available can often speed up the process and make sure you're getting the help that you need swiftly. And there you have it, reaching out to Hotmail by phone doesn't have to be complicated. By following these steps, you're equipped with the best approach to connect directly to the Hotmail customer service team. Remember, being prepared with your information can make the entire call more effective and less stressful. We hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and good luck with your customer service call.